Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to clear your search history on Instagram. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated. So let's get started. First of all, just start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Instagram and also make sure you are signed into your account there. Then simply go to the search icon at the bottom. Just click this button and go to the search bar at the top in order to get your search list. And here you can delete it one by one by tapping this cross icon at the right side beside the page. So here if you want to clear all your search list directly, you can simply click on this CL option at the top right. Just click on this CL option and here you can see all your search history. So you can simply clear it all by tapping on this clear all option. Just click on this clear all and here it will ask you you won't be able to undo this if you clear your search history, and you may still see accounts that you have searched for as suggested result. So here it says you won't be able to undo this. So if you want to clear all, just tap on this clear all, or if you don't want, then just tap on this not now option. Okay, so here I'm going with clear all in order to clear all my history. So that's it, your history has been cleared. So this is how you can simply clear your search history. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like this video as well and also subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.